Hi, my name is Crystal Nelson and I'm an ergonomist at Ergo. Today I'm going to be talking about sciatica and how that affects ergonomics. So first question, what is sciatica? Sciatica refers to the pain that travels along the path of the sciatic nerve. The pain that is associated with sciatica can affect the lower back, through the hips and buttocks, and down each leg. Most of the time, sciatica occurs when the sciatic nerve is pinched. This can happen when a herniated disc or an overgrowth of a bone puts pressure on the sciatic nerve. Sciatica usually only affects one side of the body, but it can travel from one side to the other. Other symptoms can include numbness, tingling, and even some muscle weakness along the affected foot or leg. When people are experiencing sciatica, early treatment is necessary to hopefully prevent symptoms from becoming severe. If you do have questions about symptoms that you may be feeling, make sure you talk to your healthcare professional about those. Risk factors for sciatica include obesity, diabetes, and other ergonomic concerns such as prolonged sitting, twisting your back, carrying heavy objects, or even driving a motor vehicle for long periods of time. Preventing sciatica is not always possible, and some people experience the condition far more worse than other people. I'll be going over 3 tips to help decrease the likelihood of sciatica affecting you. The first tip I have for you today is to exercise. So based on cdc.gov, we should be exercising 150 minutes per week. So we can split this up throughout the week. It can be 5 days of 30 minutes, it can be less days or more days, but make sure you're getting the entire 150 minutes in of exercise per week. You also want to spend 2 days of strength training as well, as this will help to improve your overall health and well-being. Exercises that focus on strengthening your core and your lower back can have a great impact on preventing sciatica. The second tip I have for you is to be mindful of your posture. So the goal is to practice good posture in all aspects of your life. So that means to stand up tall, sit up tall with your shoulders down and back. Having a great posture will help to decrease your risk of experiencing sciatica as well. If you are seated in an office chair for a majority of your workday, make sure that your office chair supports you and helps promote that upright posture. Also, make sure you're getting adequate lumbar support. So if you don't have a good supportive chair with good lumbar support, you can roll up a towel and place that behind your back. And the third tip that I have for you today is just to practice good, proper body mechanics. So you want to avoid sitting for too long, you want to avoid standing for too long. So ideally, you want to get up and move around at least once per hour, especially if you are seated for long periods of the day. If you do have a job that requires you to stand for long periods of time, make sure you have a stool or other options available so you don't remain in that standing position for 8 hours of the day. Once you achieve the goal of standing once per hour, try to reach your next goal of getting up and moving about every 30 minutes. So the more you move, the better it is for your body and your health and well-being. If you do currently have sciatica, sitting for long periods of time may make your symptoms worse. So make sure you're even more mindful of getting up and moving around. And then the last one I have for you today with proper body mechanics is just to make sure you are lifting appropriately. So when you go to grab an item, you want to make sure that you're squatting with your legs, maintaining an upright posture, and keeping the heavy item close to your body. Avoid forward bending and lifting from one side to the other. Also avoid twisting and turning as well. All of these tips can help you reduce your symptoms or can help decrease your symptoms from getting worse when you do have sciatica. If you are experiencing sciatica and this video isn't quite helping you, feel free to reach out to us. We can complete an ergonomic assessment and make sure that your workstation is fit perfectly for you. You can find us at our website at youralterergo.com, and feel free to subscribe to our channel for more ergonomic videos. Thank you.